There are few people who wouldn't welcome the opportunity to earn extra money. After all, the sluggishness of the economy means that our money just doesn't go as far as it used to. When you add in the mortgage crisis and job outsourcing, it only makes sense to find ways to make money at home. In times like these, extra cash can help make ends meet or pad your bank account a bit just in case the unthinkable happens. Unfortunately, many people who want to work from home don't take the steps necessary to find the right opportunities and ensure their success. Here are 5 tips to get started and stay on the right track. 1. Write down your motivations. To find the right opportunity, it helps to get clear on why you want to earn money from home. Do you want to supplement your income, to have part-time work while the kids are in school, or do you want to save for a vacation? Whether you are looking for some extra spending money or you need the money for necessities, putting pen to paper and outlining why you want to earn money will help you focus and stay motivated. 2. Make money online. If you have a high-speed internet connection, as most people do, it literally pays to look for ways to make money online. After all, you already have a computer, so why not work at home and make your own hours? Hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of people are already making part or full-time incomes online. Shouldn't you be one of them? 3. Find the right opportunities. It's sometimes difficult to figure out which work-at-home opportunities are legitimate and which will work well with your skills and interest. The best place to start looking is a website that provides visitors with a comprehensive listing of the top-rated opportunities to earn money from home. That way, you can be assured that the opportunities have been researched and investigated, and that the company or companies you choose to work with pay on time, give excellent support, and will help you earn from home. 4. Do the math. Once you've written down your motivations and have reviewed opportunities to work at home and make money online, you need to determine your financial needs. When you know how much you want to make, you can do the math and figure out the amount of time you'll need to commit to reach your goals. 5. Treat it like a job. While it's true that working from home means that you can set your own hours and work as little or as much as you'd like, the only way you'll truly succeed and earn money at home is if you treat it like a job. That means setting regular office hours where you're free from distractions and can concentrate on your efforts to make money online. Perhaps you want to work while the kids are in school, or maybe you're a night owl and want to work from midnight until 3 in the morning. To increase your likelihood of success, though, set a regular schedule and stick with it.